to my to my husband. Today is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. In front of our loved ones, we'll be one with God and do His will, that is marriage. To the man who pursued me 8 years ago and never failed to make an effort every day, thank you for marrying me today. It has always been my dream to walk down the aisle with you. Our relationship has never been easy. For 8 years, you have fought so hard just to save our relationship. There are moments when you can just leave because you're so tired, but you never did, and you never gave up. Love, thank you for loving me and for being with me when everything is good. But thank you for loving me more when all I can say is love. I'm sorry I failed. You are God's living testimony telling me that regardless of my shortcomings, regardless of the times that I am very unlovable, you still love me. Despite every imperfection and all the sins, thank you for always supporting me and saving me. Mama Celine, Ate Marie, thank you for accepting me and for loving me as much as you love Marjun, minsan more pa. Despite of who I am and what I am. I love you both. And Mama, Papa, thank you for letting me experience the beauty of building my own family. Thank you for trusting Marjun and for loving him as your own. From this day forward, as I leave everything behind, especially my only parents na nakasama ko for 27 years as their unika iha. You know this ever since that my parents are my most favorite person in the world. I adore them and I love them so much. But I know they will both understand that starting today, I will have my own family and leave our home to start a new life with you. I vow to always choose you no matter what, and I promise to never give up on us and never let you down, and spend my life building the family you have always prayed for. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.